G'day everyone, Asian Dad here. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this Dell Latitude 7490. I've got my daughter's little trusty little friend here to give a hand with this. Say hello everyone to everyone. Hello. Anyway, so let's get on to it. Hey, so this is, let's get the good old knife. Let's get that ready to go. Do that amazing cut we normally do. Hopefully I've got it right. We'll probably need a few more these thrown down here. I'm gonna get one more there. I think we've got that there. That's awesome. Let's put that away and let's get this going here. Now this is a business model. It is a business laptop and it's classified as a lightweight one. Oh, it looks like I haven't got that done well. But I've already stuffed it up already, haven't I? Okay, there we go. Give it a nice good whack there. And so this is a business laptop and it is geared towards that. It is one of the lightweight ones for Dell and it weighs around about 1.4 kilograms. So here we go. Got the good old laptop here. It's in its nice little case here and I can see we've got some documentation. We don't need that. Let's get rid of that. What else have we got here? And we've got a power cable. And we've got the power adapter as well, and that's pretty much all there is into it. Let's get rid of this and let's slowly work our way towards this. Okay, so first off, power cable and power adapter. We'll work on this. So pretty much got these two. Let's just rip those things here. And you got your normal power cable, which basically plugs directly straight into here. They're actually pretty lightweight, which is nice, and you pretty much got 65 watt power there. Fantastic. I'm going to chuck this away on that side down there and let's get on to the laptop itself. Okay, so let's get rid of all this. Nice little packaging it comes with. It's pretty easy. They don't really include much into these laptops, and as you can see, it was one of those no frills laptop. It's pretty nice and plain, so you got a bit of rubberized sort of texture at the front and at the back. It's pretty the same sort of thing, polycarbonate or something sort of similar thing. All right, and that's pretty much the laptop itself, and you pretty much got straight into it, and you can pretty much, I can think this is probably a touchscreen that I've got. They do come with non-touchscreen ones as well, and this one, let's have a look at what ports we've got here. Hey, okay, so let's get around to it. So first off, we got the AC power. We then have the Thunderbolt, or it could be USB-C, but you can get a Thunderbolt chipset, so you need to configure that with it. So make sure you've got that. It's a good idea to have it because most things are Thunderbolt. You get more speed out of it anyway. All right, we've got the HDMI cable, standard HDMI cable. We've got two USB 3.1s ports there, and that's it for this side here. Coming to the front, looks pretty blank besides the diagnostic light. And coming to the other side here, we pretty much have the headphone jack. We have the micro SD card reader, and then we've got this USIM there, as you can see. We've got another USB 3.1 jack, and we've got the Ethernet. Now that's on a hinge sort of type, which is nice, so it's just trying to keep the profile of a laptop thinner. And then we've got the Nobel lock down there. That's pretty much it. Coming straight to the back here, we're pretty all clean of nothing there. Fantastic. So these do work very well with the Dell WD-15, the TB16. If you got the Thunderbolt, make sure you got the Thunderbolt before you use the TB16, and also the Dell D6000 dock. So they're great for these ones here. All right, so let's take that out of the way. So coming to what we see here is just pretty much got a nice good keyboard travel sort of keyboard, which is fantastic. It is LED light backlit, which is fantastic. Now we've got the G-spot or the nipple, I've been told, so that's fantastic. And then of course these two are the mouse keys for when you use the nipple or the G-spot. And then you got the standard trackpad, which is pretty small, and it's got a very alright feel to it. It will do its job basically. And pretty much as for the cameras are up here, now you got a 720p camera, and that's pretty much all there is. They don't have any sort of privacy screen or that. Now you can, and this is the i7 version. And running to the back, of course, is you can't remove the battery itself, so that's pretty much a built-in battery, but you can remove the cover and then you can access the battery itself. Dell 7490 don't come with a discrete GPU in it, so these are all on board using the Intel ones there, which would be fine to do your usual stuff. But if you're doing any sort of graphics intensive 3D modeling or gaming, this is not a laptop for that side of things. Better look at somewhere else. Now these are able to configure to 32 gigs of RAM, which is fantastic. It comes with an Intel 8th generation CPU, so there's a whole bunch of different ones. Have a look at them. Oh, Mama's got a question. What's that? Oh, she's asking about the battery life of these things. So the battery life on these range between 7.5 hours, which is pretty much running on max of what it does. And if you're on power saving mode, it goes up to around about close to like hitting 12 hours itself. So it's actually a pretty decent battery life for a business laptop. Now the construction of this is pretty good. I've had a lot of these running around in my workplace and they're fantastic, and we haven't had much dramas with them. They're very, very serviceable laptops, so good to them. If you enjoyed the unboxing, hit that like button, and if you have any questions, comment below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And if you haven't done already, subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner. I do try to upload every Tuesdays and Fridays. And as always, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting. I'll see you in the next video.